This Rugged Ridge Black 5-piece interior upgrade kit is for those of you that have a 2010 and up JK that are looking to add a little bit of additional functionality to your Jeep. This is going to be a kit of 5 pieces that are going to be very, very easy to install from Rugged Ridge, and all of them, like I said before, will add some functionality, whether we're talking about the grab handles, the organizers for the sun visors, or the sunglass holder that we have here right in the middle. That easy installation is definitely going to be a 1 out of 3 wrench install, less than 10 minutes to get all of these things installed. They're all just going to Velcro onto your sport cage or onto your sun visors, but we'll talk a little bit more about that in just a second. So in your JK, even in a big 4-door JK, you have a lot of room, but you don't have a lot of organization for some smaller items. And that's where these 3 pieces are really gonna come in. Those sun visors are gonna give you spots for pens, pencils, little pieces of paperwork, whatever it might be. You're gonna have little spots to put all of that stuff so it's not just floating around on the interior. In the middle here is going to be your sunglass holder that's going to hold everything nice and secure. Make sure it's in the same spot every time. When you take them off, you're going to know exactly where to find them, and you're not going to end up sitting on them, which is something that I end up doing inadvertently from time to time. And then over here is going to be a set of grab handles, and those grab handles are going to make it easier for you and your passengers to get in and out of your Jeep, and also give you something to hang on to when you're bumping down those bumpy trails. These 5 pieces are all available individually from Rugged Ridge, and buying them as a kit like this isn't necessarily going to save you a lot of money. However, you are able to just buy one item, get all 5 pieces to fully outfit your interior. All 5 pieces of this kit are roughly made up of the same types of material. It's going to be a lot of vinyl and a lot of nylon. The materials are designed to hold up really well, be nice and strong, and do exactly what they're designed to do, either organizing or being a nice strong grab handle. And when you're talking about grab handles, having one like this that attaches with 3 straps to the sport cage and also has a nice hard rubber handle makes it feel nice and secure as you can get for a fabric grab handle. Of course, if you upgrade to a metal grab handle, a little more expensive, harder to install, but also a little bit more secure. But this fabric grab handle really goes with the theme of all of these fabric Velcro on accessory pieces. So like I said, 1 out of 3 wrenches for the installation, less than 10 minutes to get this installed. Everything is going to Velcro right in place, whether it's over the sun visors or around your sport cage. All you have to do is undo the Velcro, put it through the plastic loops like there are here for the grab handles. If not, you just go right around the sport cage. These you're going to un-Velcro, put them right over the sun visor, Velcro them shut again. Very, very easy to install, no tools necessary. This whole kit, all 5 pieces, comes in at right around $100, which I think is going to be a pretty good price when you're looking at the functionality, the features, and the quality of build that you get with this kit. So if you're looking to add some additional functionality to the interior of your JK, I definitely recommend this interior upgrade kit from Rugged Ridge, and you can find it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.